Hey, so if Dropbox is not uploading files on your PC, yeah, like files are stuck, not syncing, or just won't go to the cloud, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, Dropbox needs a steady connection to upload files properly. Next, look at the Dropbox icon in your system tray. Yeah, if it says paused or syncing issues, that's your first clue. Now, if syncing is paused, just click resume syncing. Sometimes it gets paused accidentally or after updates. Also check your files. I mean, very large files or files with special characters in the name can fail to upload. Yeah, this is important. If your Dropbox storage or PC storage is full, uploads will stop completely. Next, restart the Dropbox app. Quit it from the system tray and open it again. This fixes temporary glitches. If it's still not working, yeah, sign out of Dropbox and sign back in. This refreshes your account connection. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block uploads. Try disabling them briefly to test if that's the issue. Now, make sure your Dropbox app is updated. If nothing works, reinstalling Dropbox usually fixes stubborn upload issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not uploading files on PC. Most of the time, it's internet, storage, or sync settings. Try these steps, and your uploads should start working again. Thanks for watching.